Friends, now to solve this expression, we follow the BODMAS rule, which dictates the order of operations, brackets, order, parts and roots, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now here is the expression and we'll just break it down by the step-by-step solution. So the first step, solve the innermost parentheses. As you can see here, the small brackets. So according to the rule, always start from the innermost brackets. So here 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now the equation becomes, now the second step, solve for the curly braces. Inside the curly braces, we perform first multiplication before subtraction. So first multiplication 2 into 4, that is 8. And after subtraction 2 minus 8 equals to minus 6 because larger digit is negative. Now the becomes simply 2 minus square bracket 2 minus curly braces minus 6. Solve for the square brackets. Handle the double negative property. Subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive number. See, 2 minus and then minus 6 equals to 2 plus 6 and then 8. Now the expression becomes 2 minus square bracket 8. So finally subtraction. So we'll do 2 minus 8 equals to minus 6. So the final result of the expression is minus 6. Now comparing this to the given options, and option D is the correct answer. I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.